Imagine your brand's message stopping someone in their tracks as they scroll through endless content. That's the power of video marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to make it work for you. Hi, I'm Derek, the founder and CEO of Hit Your Mark Media. Hit Your Mark is a full-suite digital marketing agency that helps brands and businesses like yours to grow. Think about it. Your potential customer is scrolling through their feed when they stop, captivated by your video. It's not just another ad, it's a story, a glimpse into your brand that resonates with them. But how do you create videos that not only grab attention, but also deliver results? First, every great video needs a plan. What's your goal? Whether it's boosting brand awareness, driving sales, or generating leads, a clear objective will guide every frame of your video. Next, knowing your audience is key. Who are they? What do they care about? Craft your content around their needs and interests to make your video irresistible. Your video should also reflect your brand's personality. Are you sleek and polished, or more casual and behind the scenes? The right style can make all the difference. Quality matters. Crisp visuals, clear audio, and smooth editing can turn a simple video into something memorable. And don't forget, SEO is your friend. Optimize your video with the right keywords and titles to ensure it gets seen. Finally, promotion is crucial. Don't just post your video and hope for the best. Share it across all your channels, your website, social media, email, you name it. The more places people see your video, the better. So what are you waiting for? Start crafting your video marketing strategy today, and let's make your brand shine.